Now would be a good time. Now would be a good time to hold your breath. I hope you enjoyed my visit. I got a special delivery just for you. Better luck next time. I hope you enjoyed my visit. I've got a special delivery just for you. It looks like someone wasn't ready for Freddy to come to the party. When you wake up, just remember, friends are forever. Most people like my hugs. It looks like someone wasn't ready for Freddy to come to the party. I bet you didn't expect me to show up, did you now? It looks like somebody wasn't ready for Freddy to come to the party. That sure was fun. I hope you enjoyed my visit. I've got a special delivery just for you. What's that you say? You didn't invite me. Too bad. I bet you didn't expect me to show up, did you now? Better luck next time. Round and round we go. Where we're going, nobody knows. Round and round we go. Where we're going, nobody knows. I've planned something special just for you. I hope you enjoy my visit. I'm planning on making it extra special for you. Now, all that fear there isn't helping either of us. I hope you enjoyed my visit. I got a special delivery just for you. That sure was fun. I've prepared a special happy fun time just for you. Bet you weren't expecting me to show up early, were you now? I bet you didn't expect me to show up, did you now? I've planned something special just for you.
Hey, don't look so blue. Enjoy your time at Freddy's, considering that you're never leaving. I can see you through that mask. Nice try, but you can't fool me this time. You aren't playing by the rules. What a shame. You are broken, but don't you fret. I can fix you right up. This game will never end!
Why so blue? You know I'll be true, and now I'll make slippers out of you. So good to see you again, my truest friend, but now your life must end. What a fine day to come here and say that your face and flesh I must flay. What a treat to come here and meet your face as it hits concrete. I found my guitar, now reach for the stars as I plunge it through your heart.
Time to face the consequences of your failure. Might as well face the facts you were always destined to fail. You blinked. What is this new prison? Is it me trapped, or is it you? Perhaps it is us both. I may be missing my face, but even I could see his tongue.
I never thought I'd make it through that vent, but now we are together. Let me show you how to break your face and look like me. I was the first. I have seen everything. Come closer. Let's smile together. I have seen him, the one you shouldn't have killed.
Listen to my voice, and you will find the key. When you can see, how fast can you flee? Be sure your step through the heart of madness. Call your big arm onto us.
Yar! Welcome all to the Kids' Cove. I am the infamous Captain Foxy, and this is me first mate Mangle. Join us on our journey to conquer the seven seas. Yarg! Follow the rules, or else ye shall be forced to walk the plank. Yarg! Yarg! Mangle can't run like she's used to, but she can pull herself apart just fine. How'd I lose me hand? 'Twas a foul beast from the depths of the Montgomery Gator Gulf. As for me eye, well, that was Bonnie. We were practicing stunts.